The Congress party in Telangana has called for a protest here in Hyderabad against the ED and the BJP government, stating that after the Delhi court has announced or dismissed the petition for charge sheet or prosecution in the National Herald case, now the Congress party is protesting in Telangana against the BJP government and the ED. To talk more on this, we have Telangana Pradesh Congress Committee Vice President Mujahid Alam Khan ji. Sir, what exactly is the protest about and what is the demand that you're putting?
Sir, I would like to very clear that, India, a country, a very diversified country, and you must be knowing that Congress party is the oldest party in the country. And Congress party was the party which was involved for independence, which has given the sacrifices. Gandhi family is the family which has sacrificed their lives for the country. Indira Gandhi ji, Rajiv Gandhi ji, Nehru ji, these people have literally sacrificed their lives for the country. And today, it is extremely unfortunate, to suppress the voice of the people, to suppress what's happening in the people, what's happening in the country, the major voice of the people. Today, the BJP government has stooped to this level. They are filing bogus cases against the people who are fighting, who are showing the world what's happening in India, what's happening in the country. There has been absolutely, for past several months, Rahul Gandhi ji have been protesting in Bihar in regard to vote chori. And now you can see the impact what has happened. After the protest in Bihar against the vote chori, and Rajiv Gandhi ji have shown the world that what chori means, how systematic vote chori has been happening. Today, there is charge sheet has been filed against the family, only to suppress the voice of the country. And this is absolutely rubbish and nonsense, and we are going to protest about it. I would also like to say one more thing, sir, over here is, there was a scheme which was announced by the UPA government in 2005. And the importance of the scheme is, it was the scheme which was beneficial for the poor people of the country, for the villagers of this country, people who are belonging to the agriculture sector of this country. That scheme was named after Mahatma Gandhi ji. And that scheme has been abolished today by the NDA BJP government. This is absolutely nonsense, but the poor people of India are losing, they are losing their lives on this. And only to suppress the voice of Congress party, to suppress the voice of our leaders, the charge sheet bogus allegations have been charged and framed to suppress and blackmail it. Our demand is, it's very clear, sir. Our demand is to enforce the policies which the Congress government has led for the creation, for the poor people of this country. Our demand is to show the truth to the people what is happening around in India. Absolutely, as far as the vote chori is concerned and as far as the other aspects of the NDA government is concerned, sir, to be honest with you, to see the track record for past 10 to 12 years, what is happening in NDA government, the amount of, inflation in petrol prices, in currency prices, in gold prices, when you compare with UPA government and today where the hell are we standing? The gold rate is beyond the imagination. It's cost more than 1,20,000 rupees. Petrol prices have cost more than 100 rupees. Vote chori is continuing. We want to show the world, we want to show the country what vote chori means. And because of all these things, BJP want to blackmail the Congress government. BJP want to blackmail our leaders by imposing false allegations against them. So this is a protest on behalf of that, and we will continue our protest not only in Delhi but the whole country, in every village and every city, sir. Thank you.
See, actually we are trying to expose the evil intention of BJP leaders, how they are using enforcement director as a weapon against the opposition party leaders. See, all these years they have been accusing us of some scam happened in National Herald case, but today the case was dismissed. So truth has prevailed. So we just wanted to tell to the world that BJP is using enforcement directorate as a weapon against opposition party leaders, and they want to, suppress the voices of opposition party leaders. And 97% of the cases filed by the ED are against opposition party leaders. And the leaders who joined into BJP, the cases are being dropped. What kind of administration is this? Enforcement director being an investigation agency need to be transparent.
What is your demand?
Our demand is to tell the truth to the public. All this agitation, we want to expose BJP that all these years, from a decade, about National Herald, the allegations against our top brass leaders on Rahul Gandhi ji and Sonia Gandhi ji turned to be false, right? So we just wanted to tell the truth to the world and expose the BJP how they are using the institutions.
Modi has to apologize.
Gandhi family. For the last 10 years, their troubling, politically motivated case has been filed on Gandhi family. Court has clarified. Now truth has come down. Truth has come out. Modi has to ask apology to the nation.
The police is right now stopping. This is your government. What was your plan and what is your demand?
We wanted to go and stage a peaceful dharna in BJP, in front of BJP office. So as to make the people of this country know about the mishappenings in the country and the false cases registered against Gandhi family. For the last 10 years, they are troubling Gandhi family.
The Congress party and the late Jawaharlal Nehru ji established the National Herald newspaper to update the general public of the nation about the freedom struggle during that time. And the Congress party today is trying to save that legacy and further help the people of India. And after coming to power in the past 12 years, they have established fake ED cases through proxy BJP leaders, and are trying to implicate false cases of money laundering on Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. We all know that BJP has no role in the freedom struggle of this country. And Rahul Gandhi ji for the past 10 years has been fighting on the public-centric issues against the BJP party. And we all know that the vote chori is the most dangerous and the biggest scam India has ever seen. And just to sidetrack the mood of the nation from the vote chori, they are trying to implicate false cases on Rahul Gandhi, and they are trying to scare Rahul Gandhi. And as a Congress Karyakarta, I would like to tell you, no matter how many fake cases will be implicated, the Congress party and the Rahul Gandhi is not going to step back, and we are going to fight on people's issues, and we are going to raise vote chori.
We are joined by senior Congress leader Rohin Reddy Garu. Sir, what is the protest about? What is the Congress demand here?
See, we are only demanding that Modi ji please stop using your CBI and ED against any forces in India. Because our leader Rahul Gandhi raised the vote chori issue, which is going throughout India like a wildfire. To stop that issue, he filed in the charge sheet. So he was taking the permission from the High Court, saying that he should file a charge sheet against Deccan Herald on Rahul Gandhi ji and Sonia Gandhi, which Delhi High Court has dismissed it. And to divert that issue, again he has raised Narega, Mahatma Gandhi issue also in the parliament. So I am trying to tell Mr. Modi, why are you doing this all diversion tactics? My leader is raising vote chori. You answer that on vote chori. Instead of doing that, he is diverting towards National Herald and Narega. So I kindly request all these BJP leaders and ask the national and I ask the people of the India to open your eyes how Mr. Modi is using CBI and ED against all the forces who are raising their voice against their vote chori. Thank you.
Thank you so much for speaking with us. So this was Congress leader Rohin Reddy. Camera person Junaid, Abdul Bashir, Hyderabad.